Hi, this is the WordPress learning course, and today the day 4. I will guide you how to build a WordPress site from an existing site. Okay, so here the step we have to do is firstly we have to migrate the MySQL server, and the second one we have to migrate the code, and the last one we will update the configuration to make the site online. Okay, so now let's get started. Firstly, I will show the demonstrations for the current site we are using to do the migration. Okay, here, this one is an example of the WordPress site I'm using here. So here, it is running under the localhost, and here. Okay, so the language in this site is in Vietnamese. So here, maybe when you guys take a look into it, there are some misunderstanding. Okay, so I think it's never mind because we don't need to have the take a look into how to do migration. Shouldn't and no need to understand the coding structure of this website. Okay, okay here. So we have the folder shortcode in the web root folder here. This one is for the code. Okay, and I will open the admin page to manage the the, um, the database here. Here, click on the PHP MyAdmin Database Manager. So here you have to provide the credential to access this admin page. Root. Here. So here, in order to know which database the website is using, so you have to open the config file. So here we have the WordPress config. Open it. Open with edit. Here. So here it defines the database name here. Okay, we know it. We know it already. So here this one is the database, and we select this one, click on it, and here this one is the data table structure of this website. And currently we have 18 table in this database. Okay, and go ahead to click on the check all button here. So after that it will select all of the table in the database. Okay, cool. And here we have an option on the top menu, either export, or you can also select the feature and close to the check all button here under the drop down list. Click on it, and you can see we have a export feature here. So after that, here you left the configuration by default, and click on go button here. So after that, it will open it will save and download the file in the SQL Server format. Open this one. Open here. So here, this one is the SQL Server file, and you edit it in the Notepad. Okay. Okay, it here. So here you can see this one is the database name. Okay, cool. And now if you are using this shortcode, and I mean this the script generated from the MySQL server admin page. So if you run it and install it on another PC, so you can using the same database name. But if you are going to install it on the same server, so you have to change the database name here. Okay, here in this video I will install this shortcode and database on the same server. So I will change the database name here. I will copy this one, and after that I will back to the admin page of the MySQL server. Okay, here, and we have a new feature, a new, yes. Click on this one. It will direct you to the the, the, the database page where you can create new database. Okay, here you enter the name. I will be keeping the same database name, but and we will add a suffix e, demo. Okay, and after that I will click on the create button. Collaboration. Click on create button. Okay, cool. Oh, what the hell? Oh, sorry. So here there are something wrong here. I will. Okay, and I will delete this database, and it should be the MySQL server db demo. Delete it. Drop. Okay. Create it again. Oh, so here it will group the same. There are the same name. Okay, never mind. Yeah. So here I will open the. Okay, so firstly, after that you have to know, you have to name, create a new name for the domain here, and I will create another domain. So here, instead of using this current website domain, and I will change it to another one. Okay, so you have to open the back to the SQL server. Okay, so you can see here, this one is the site URL of the existing website, and here we have to replace this one to a new name. Okay, and copy and replace. Demo. Okay, I change it to another new name, and click on replace button here to replace on here. So here, after that, you can see in the it will notify here we have already replaced a lot of the data in this file. Click on close button, and of course you have to save this first. Okay, and close this one. Okay, so now, and back to the admin page, and I will open the website here. So here you click on the new database name. For now it is blank, and you click on import button. Okay, here we have a importing feature. It is supporting by the my PHP admin on website, I mean. So if you are using another tool to manage the MySQL server on the local host, so you can use it to import the data for this database. Okay, click on choose file, and you select this one. Okay, cool. So now here, scroll down and click on go button and wait until the installation is done. Okay, so here if you see this message, it said the import had been successfully and finished. And okay, so here after that you take a look into the content tree of this of the database. It lists out all of the table here. Okay, so now click on this one, and it should be have 18 table here, 18 table. Cool. So that means we have to finish the migration for MySQL database. Okay. Oh, raining is heavy. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so now we continue another step. So next one we have to do the migration for the code. Okay, cool. Open the folders shortcode, and here this one is the shortcode of the existing site. So here you have to copy it and paste it here. If you are copy or if you are using this shortcode on and install it on another PC, so you have to extract it into the web root folder shown here. Okay, here, so now I will change because I just changed the new domain name for the new site either Chang'an here, so now I will remove this one at demo. Okay, cool. So now here we have just finished the migration for shortcode, and the last one we do the update for the configuration. Okay, cool. So here, in order to update the configuration for the WordPress site, we have a config file. Click on this one and open it in an editor here. And firstly, you have to change the database name. Okay, back to our website, and we have the new name for database. Copy it. Okay, and now here replace this one. Okay, and here after that we have to provide the database name account, and here because for now I'm using on the same server, so I don't need to replace a new account information here. I will be keeping the same username and password, and the MySQL localhost name it should be localhost. Keep it for now. Okay, and keep everything by default. Cool. So here, close this one. Okay, and open the browser again. Okay, copy this one and open it here. Okay, enter the new name. Okay, open the folder. Zip name. Enter. Yeah, you can see here. For now, if we do the comparison, the existing website and the new website, it should be look like the same. Yeah. Okay, cool. And you can go to another page by clicking on the navigation on the top for that thing. Yeah. So it should be fine. Yeah. You can also access into the admin page by typing it here, WordPress admin. Yeah. So here it is the admin of the existing site, and I will access for the admin for new site. Log out. Oh no 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 no. Here, here, you have to provide the admin account and the password as well. Here. So here, after that, you can access the dashboard. It look like the same thing for the existing site. Okay, cool. So here, so for now, after you access into the dashboard of the website, so you can play with the by updating the data, or you can change some of the configuration or something like that here. Okay, I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to build a WordPress site from an existing site. Yeah, so it will be helpful for you if you are working in a team. So when the team start coding, I mean when the team start to build any the solution structure for the project, and that guy will deliver shortcode to you and another member in the team, and all of the team will be using the same shortcode and build and follow this video to build the WordPress run it on the PC for continued development. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.